before I start this video is a joke, please do not take it seriously. This video is even worse than the Caillou Marrys Uolliac video.
What the hell, BorisAnimate? What goes through your mind to make this video? It's even worse than the last video you uploaded 1 year ago. Mix PC.
I'm sad. I think I am going crazy right now because I'm getting grounded every fucking time. Man, I am so bored. And I feel so lonely. What should I even do right now? Well, I'm just gonna go downstairs and see if I can do something. I don't know what to do right now.
Well, I'm going to the kitchen to make some coffee before I fall asleep. Caillou, what the fuck are you doing to the fridge? Are you licking the fridge or something? What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, don't tell me what to do. It's my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend refrigerator are going to be couples, and she looks so hot. I'm gonna kiss my refrigerator no matter what.
The fuck, Caillou? Are you drunk or something? What the fuck? That is weird as hell.
I don't care how weird this is. Me and the refrigerator are couples, and me and the refrigerator are together forever, and we will become wife and husband in the future.
Oh my god, you know a refrigerator is not even a living thing. This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen from someone doing that. Like, what the hell?
I don't care. You're just mad because I have a hotter object than my mom Doris. Now get out.
You know what? I'll give you two some privacy in the kitchen. Ugh.
Alright, refrigerator, let's make out here right now. Yes, refrigerator, you're so hot. I love you so much. Washington.
Hey Boris, are you alright? You don't seem to be alright today?
I think Caillou is drunk right now.
What happened? What did he do this time?
This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen in my whole life. But Caillou is marrying a goddamn refrigerator.
WTF? Is he insane right now?
I don't know what to do to stop him doing that. It seems like he is going to act like this forever.
Put me back in 12th grade, 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 put me back in 12th grade.
Oh my god, I can't believe we are all invited to this boring wedding. Kayloo is marrying a goddamn refrigerator. I don't know what's wrong with him.
I know, right, BorisAnimate? Help you, sir.
Hey BorisAnimate, it seems like you created Brilliant Sirg's avatar to appear in your video.
Yeah, his text-to-speech voice is the same as my Eric voice, so I should have told him on Discord that I added him in my video. Oh well, now I can talk. This is my first time I appeared in BorisAnimate's universe, and my voice is the same as BorisAnimate's voice, so.
Alright guys, the wedding is starting, let's go inside.
Oh no, here we go, it's starting. This is going to be so disgusting watching someone kissing a fridge.
Welcome to Lazy Potato Church, where our mom lives, and today we celebrate Kayloo and his stupid girlfriend refrigerator. Let's get this shit over with. Kayloo, do you take your refrigerator as your wife?
I do.
Refrigerator, do you take Caillou as your husband? Okay, you may now lazy kiss.
Oh my god, I think I am going to be sick. This looks so disgusting.
Me too, I think I am going to throw up.
After wedding.
Well, that was fun, refrigerator. Let's go home so we can do something fun.
Oh my god. Caillou needs to stop already. That stupid refrigerator has been missing in this kitchen for 10 days already. This is getting on my nerves. Caillou, that's enough. You better give me that stupid refrigerator back or oh my god. Caillou, wake up right now and give me that goddamn refrigerator back.
Oh shit, wait, what?
That's enough, Caillou. I need this goddamn refrigerator so I can put my goddamn drinks and food into the fridge, for God's sake.
No, it's my wife. Leave us alone.
I don't give a shit. Caillou, give me that goddamn refrigerator right now or else you know what happens.
No. I love my refrigerator as my wife, please.
If you don't stop doing that right now, I will ground you immediately.
Fine. Whatever you say, Dad.
There we go. Now I have finally that refrigerator back. And Caillou, you are grounded for 1 day, so...
Oh, wow, really? I'm only grounded for 1 day. That doesn't sound that bad.
Well, I am going to put that refrigerator back into place and don't ever do that shit again, okay, Caillou? Ah yes. Finally. The stupid refrigerator is back into place,